Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. As of today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your Copilot conversation history. So in this article here, with it you can learn how to manage your Copilot activity history in the privacy dashboard. So Microsoft's Copilot or Copilot by Microsoft is your AI assistant designed to help you with a range task of activities. Activity history is a record of the things you type in Copilot and the AI assisted responses you received from it. So how do we manage them? Well, there is two methods. The first one is by managing it itself, not exporting it. So in the select dashboard, go to privacy, empower your productivity, Copilot, your Copilot app, activity history, and then Copilot apps. And then from there, you can export it. So you can select either export all activity history or delete all activity history. It really depends on you, what you want to do. If you want to export all activity history, then simply export it by clicking on this button here. If you want to delete everything, click on here. If you select export all activity history, a comma separated value CSV file is downloaded to your device. Open the file and then you can review it. You can review your activity history. On the other hand, if you selected the delete all activity history, review the information in the "Are you sure you want to clear all your activity history in Copilot" dialog. And if you're sure you want to clear this information, simply select a clear and it should be cleared and removed. It's very simple and clear. So you can also select a couple of more options, like there is export all Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps activity history, export all Copilot chats activity history, because they are different between them. So choose it wisely what you want to do. Of course, you can export each one individually and then compare them and choose which one you'd like to have. And then guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.